Good morning, students. Today we will study chapter number 10, Travel Today. The story of travel begins with the invention of the wheel. Initially, there was a slow progress from animal powered transport like Balgadi and Tonga, till the invention of the steam engine in the industrial age and the consequent advent of the steam trains and steamships. Later, engines were modified. Today, they run on diesel and electricity in superfast trains like Rajdhani, bullet train, metro train. The invention of the aeroplane is the biggest achievement in the field of transportation for a man. Now we will learn about transportation and means of transportation. Transport or transportation is the movement of people, cattle, animals and goods from one location to another. Different modes of transport have different purposes. Some means of transport like scooters, motorcycles are owned individually and are called private transport. Some means of transport like buses, cars are used for transportation of people. This is called passenger transport. There are three main types of transportation: land transport, water transport, air transport. Further, land transport can be divided into two parts. First is roadways. Horse carriages, cycle rickshaw, trams, buses, auto rickshaw, tempo are common forms of road transport. Other one is railways. Railways are the principal mode of transportation for freight and passengers in India. You all must have travelled in trains. Duronto Express, Rajdhani, Shatabdi, Jan Shatabdi, Garib Rath are fastest trains. Metro, mass rapid transit systems are also operational. Moving on to the next type of transportation, that is water transport. Water transport is the process of transporting a boat, ship or sailboat over a body of transport such as sea, ocean, lake, canal or river. Inland water transport and shipping plays an important role in the transport sector. Water transport is highly effective method of transporting large quantities of goods. Transport by water is less costly than air transport. Last type of transportation is air transport. Wright brothers were the first to fly in powered and controlled aircraft. Air transport majorly comprises of helicopters and aeroplanes. Aeroplanes take off and land at airports. Helicopters land on helipad. Helicopters are also used for cargo transport and air support in times of natural disasters. That's all for today's class.